Welcome to a journey where timeless charm meets modern marvels with University Park Berkeley. Nestled at Shattuck Avenue, University Park brings you a range of private heaven, from cozy studios to spacious single-bedroom apartments, each designed to make you feel right at home. All the rooms here comes fully furnished, with a comfortable bed, private study area, premium flooring, spacious wardrobe, and even a private patio. Say goodbye to weekend chores with on-site laundry and keep your belongings secure with bike storage and private covered parking. University Park places you right in the heart of a vibrant neighborhood, surrounded by the pulse of a happening community that's ready to be explored. And with the Academy of Art University and Golden Gate University just a stone's throw away, your academic pursuits are also well within reach. If you're ready for a student accommodation, that's not just four walls, but a gateway to a world of adventure. Then University Park Berkeley is calling your name. Head over to amberstudent.com to book your stay today.